Subscribe to Odin the German Shepherd.
Yeah, that's cool. That's the only reason I've ever really enjoyed that game, because it's so different from anything else.
Yeah.
Like nothing is, no game is like that.
Yeah. It's so hot.
We need some rope. Yeah, we're gonna go get some bundles of wood. Where is it? Boys are off gathering some more firewood, and I'm here tending to the bacon. Doesn't that look good? It's the best way to do it. We're gonna have a great breakfast, and we've got some Mountain House freeze-dried biscuits and gravy to go with it. And there's some of the bacon that's already cooked. Good stuff, good stuff. There's Odin. He's sitting there waiting for them boys to come back. That's good. Here, you like it, buddy? It's great. Oh, great. Sit. Stay.
That's the coolest thing ever. No, the whole thing just fell in.
Stay. Odin, here. Down. Speak.
Until I messed it all up, Odin. See if you can break it. What are you doing?
Nice. More firewood.
10 o'clock.
Cool.
Just walking around the loop.
Great place out here.
Nice.
You from around here?
Bella Vista.
Oh, okay.
Not too far.
We come up from the Tulsa area over in Oklahoma.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Sapulpa, yeah.
I've met a lot of people from Oklahoma here. A lot of people on this one. Yeah. Nice. What's your dog's name?
Odin?
Hey Odin.
Yeah, he's famous.
Is he? You famous? Hmm?
What's your dog's name?
That's Jace.
Jace.
Yeah. Hey Odin. Well, and then I quit carrying it. Mainly just space, you know. It's awfully nice to have it sit on.
Yeah.
So are you from here?
Oh, yeah, I'm from Bella Vista.
How far of a drive is that?
Not too bad. Probably an hour.
Yeah, ours is about 2.5.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad. It's worth it.
Yeah.
I think he's got the move on him there.
Yeah, no doubt. Oh, don't run too far that way.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Hey. Ha-ha.
Odin met a new friend, huh?
Hold it off over.
It's hard to tell on the camera, but we are way, way up.
Almost broke my ankle. I landed on a rock. All that dead paint's still in there, dude. You're really gonna think it's water.
You start to decompose.
To what?
Oh.
Decompose, bro. I gotta take the lid off.